Welcome to Glific's feature video on Google Sheet integration. In this feature video, we will understand how to use the Link Google Sheet node to update our Glific flow content through Google Sheet. This feature enables you to make your chatbot accessible to team members who do not know how to use the Glific interface. With the use of Google Sheets, team members can easily update content in the Google Sheet instead of having to open Glific and update the content in individual nodes. Glific will read the Google Sheet and send the relevant updated content. Let's start by learning how to add a Google Sheet in Glific. To add a Google Sheet to Glific, first click on Flows from the left panel and then click on the Google Sheets at the bottom of the page. Then select Add Sheet. You need to add your sheet URL and name. There is a sample sheet for you to use as a template. For the URL, go to Google Sheet and select Share. Update the sheet permission to anyone can view. Then copy the URL. Come back to your Glific instance and paste the URL there. Give this Sheets tab a unique name. Note that the URL will be unique for every tab of your Google Sheet. If you are using multiple tabs in the same sheet, you will need to link each one separately. Click on Save and wait. Once successfully uploaded, you can check the number of rows that have been successfully synced. Always click on Sync button if you add more rows or make changes to the sheet. Now let's learn how to use Google Sheets in our flows. Here is a short flow where we ask the user for their name and then send them a video and a follow-up message. If we want to send different videos to different users or send different videos on different days, then we can link Google Sheets to reference or schedule easily. We need to select the sheet and specify the row to be referred from the key column. In our Google Sheet, we have some dates and names in the first key column. Each of the columns to the right present a message we might want to send based on the date or name in the key column. Ensure that all these column headers are in lowercase with no spaces. Select the sheet you had uploaded, then reference the sheet's key that you want to use. We can use a static key like 123, which will only allow us to use the data in the row with key 123. Or use a dynamic key like @calendar.current_date to reference the current date and send the row content from that date. We save this key row as sheet. Now, to send the users the next message, replace existing text with @results.sheet.message1_en to send the desired English text that is in the Google Sheet. For languages, reference the column with the relevant language message. To send a relevant video attachment, go to Attachment, select Expression and reference the sheet column in the same way. Then check the flow to ensure there are no errors. Instead of date, we can also reference a result like name or worksheet code and send relevant content. In this case, we can update the Google Sheet node to pick up the name entered instead of the date. You can use this for worksheet codes or any other information shared by your users. Let's see how Lendahan India, Lahi, uses Google Sheets in their chatbot program. Lahi hosts regular job fairs for young adults. In this flow, the team asks them for consent to receive messages, if they have their parents' consent to attend the job fair and take up a job, and then shares the registration link with them. The team had to change messages frequently, and doing it directly on Glific platform was time consuming. For flows where messages needed to be changed often, they felt Google Sheet integration would help them do it easily. Only a few people on Lahi program teams know how to use Glific, so they created a Google Sheet template for the other team members to update with relevant text or links. They use a static reference to the key Delhi_job2. Through the use of Google Sheets, Lahi has been able to leverage Glific more efficiently across their team. Going forward, Lahi plans on integrating Google Sheets to all their flows which require frequent changes and will configure date-wise flows. Give Google Sheet integration a try and let us know how it helped you. Find more information in the video description below.